Hello, welcome back to the Faculty Guide channel. This is the place to better your career. IIT Gandhinagar is looking to a bright and dedicated young scholars interested in research to join as PhD scholars. And before going into the brief content of the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and also do share to your friends. Currently, they are offering PhD programs in biological engineering, chemical engineering, chemistry, civil engineering, and cognitive science, and computer science and engineering, earth sciences and electrical engineering, history, language and literature, materials engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, philosophy, physics, political sciences, psychology, social epidemiology, and sociology. Prospective students satisfying the eligibility criteria are encouraged to apply themselves with the research areas of these college faculty members for suitable match of interest. IIT Gandhinagar also offers a start yearly PhD fellowship with additional financial support for exceptionally qualified undergraduate students from a selected college wishing to start on a direct PhD program after BTech. And the admission categories: regular, that is RR category, full-time residential research candidate, and then CDP candidate, that is continuing doctoral programming candidates. And this is for the candidates working in the industry or as a faculty in any educational institutions. So in this category, the candidates is given advanced admission with 90 days of residency requirements in first year, and on successful completion of first year, the admission is confirmed with the expected minimum 2 years of full-time residential requirement on campus, completing the coursework and a major part of the thesis work. After 2 years, the candidates may be permitted to go back to the parent organization subject to significant progress in thesis work. Okay, and subsequently the candidates is expected to complete at least 2 weeks of residency at the institute for each semester, and all through the PhD programming. Okay, and the certificate in support of the candidate is must to support the applications. Okay, and above mentioned eligibility criteria is minimum at institute level. And the financial support, the student joining the PhD programming as regular RR category will be considered in the institute fellowship based on the following norms. First one is postgraduate degree in basic science with NET and GATE qualification, or graduate degree in professional courses like BTech, BE with NET or GATE qualification, or postgraduate in professional courses like MTech or ME. They will offer 31,000 per month, and the qualifications mentioned at 1, that is the above, with 2 years of reaching experience is rupees 35,000 per month. Okay, the admission procedure in the view of current COVID-19 situation for 2020-2021 semester 2 admission will be offered based on online interview only, and the admission is generally offered on the basis of interview and which is supplemented by a written test if necessary. The institute will invite a limited number of candidates for a written test and interview based on the academic records and the statement of purpose, etc. The final selection will mainly based on the academic credentials and written test and or interview. The written test is generally based on the topics related to the general aptitude and writing skills and basic course of various disciplines at undergraduate level. The candidates who do not qualify in the written test need not to appear for interview. The reserved category candidates will be given due relaxation to the cutoff marks as per their norms. The candidates called for the test or interview will be reimbursed to any amount exceeding rupees 750 for single second sleeper class railway fare by the shortest route and from their place of residence to the institute or venue of the test or interview. And for example, in case of railway fare of rupees 1400, the candidate will be reimbursed rupees 650, and it is required to produce evidence, that is railway ticket, in support of the claim. Okay, so in addition to the announced admission cycles with the prescribed deadline of applications, the institute also considered applications any time of the year in case of exceptional candidates. Based on the qualifications of the candidates and the need of the discipline concerned, applications received are processed through duly constituted selection committee at the regular intervals. All the applications must be submitted online. If you are applying for more than one discipline, please submit separate applications for each discipline. After successful submission of the application form, you will be receiving an application number and a link to download the application form. Please save the application form, and you need not to furnish a hard copy of the application form and a self-attested copy of all relevant documents at the time of interview. The application fees is rupees 100 for SC, ST and person with disability category, and rupees 200 for others. And you need not to pay. You need not to send the hard copy of the application form. An application submission deadline is 2nd November 2020. An announcement of the shortlisted candidate is 11th November 2020, and the online interview will be tentatively conducted on 22nd to 28th November 2020. Discipline specific interview dates will be announced in due course, and the website link is given in the description. And I hope this video will surely improve your career as faculty. If you have any queries, please comment below. Let us see in the next video. Thank you.